So today, I don't know what I'm going to be doing. You can give me some ideas in the comments below, but later I'll be playing some video games like PvZ Garden Warfare 2 and Overwatch. Maybe some Terraria and Minecraft.
Attack all forces.
So I don't know what I'm going to be doing today. But today, I went to the arcade and I got Donkey Kong. Donkey Kong. Don't know what I'm going to be doing today.
They're attacking.
Yeah. Oh yeah, Christmas tree.
And I took a picture of that.
Is that over?
And he's taking a video too.
They're running out of men. All forces attack.
So give me some ideas in the comments below what to do. I might be. Wait.
Sir, they're attacking.
Let me find my pen.
I'm almost out of ammo. I'm out.
Hey, this would be what I'm gonna do today.
I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get him. Ugh. Oh no, I'm dead.
Oh, yeah. Uh-huh. Oh, you got it. Okay.
Was it?
I'm going out. I'm gonna get him. Ah. No.
I got myself here. Cool, that's what it looks like. That looks weird. I can't hit the ball.